Weekly review, weekly analysis again. Gonna be a quicker video. I always say that, but it's still normal time. Let's see if it's recording. It is. Okay, so weekly review, weekly analysis. Looking at last week, I've blown the account. I already made a video about it. That was last week. Last week I took one W trade. I took one other trade, which was Friday, and then week before, that's where I started this account. So this is kind of crazy. I didn't make a trade recap because it technically wasn't on the account, but on Friday, Valentine's Day, I went out with my girlfriend, but in the AM session, I traded and I took a loss, which is kind of crazy. I took the loss on an account that's already closed. So you can see this account was already closed, but I still was able to take a trade, and I thought that it was this account, so I was really lucky there. Honestly, the first time that I ever feel that I got lucky. But yeah, the account is still up in one W trade, which is $700, so that's really nice. That's already weekly review. Nothing else really price action wise. We were still pushing higher, kind of like a crazy week. Not really crazy, but like with the price action that we had, like nothing special. It was pretty bullish, but yeah, honestly not clear with that there. But now you can see the market is pretty bullish. So for already upcoming week, what am I expecting? Like, it looks like we want to go to all-time highs. I think that looks pretty clear. With news, what we have is we have Trump speaking today. So yesterday, it's already Tuesday, and doing the weekly review, weekly analysis now, but there wasn't really anything special here. It was I wouldn't say a busy weekend, but I was doing a lot of stuff in the weekend, just with family and friends also. So yeah, didn't do anything for trading in the weekend, but still, Monday we had a bank holiday, so it wouldn't matter anyway. Wasn't trading yesterday, and then today we have Trump speaking, high impact floor news the entire day, so it looks like a good trading day for me. Wednesday looks like a good trading day as well. We have FOMC meeting minutes, unemployment claims Thursday, Friday USD, so it looks like a pretty, like, you could say like a distribution week. And looking in the charts, how does that look like? Like, I think it's going to be a pretty bullish week, just looking like where we are in the charts. So this is like a distribution week. Maybe there's like accumulation before this actually happened. So I would say this is the entire accumulation, but like the manipulation that we had, like some sort of SMT, but doesn't really look like a really clean power of three. But yeah, I think it's going to be a pretty bullish week. Monday accumulation, because we don't have any news then. Bank holiday, so Monday accumulation, Tuesday maybe manipulation, so maybe Tuesday today it wants to trade lower, and then Wednesday expansion, Thursday expansion, Friday expansion. That could be it, like a classic bullish reversal, or like a midweek reversal. So either Tuesday or Wednesday is going to put the low of the week in. So far Tuesday it's 16, so this is 10 a.m. The 10 a.m. candle just opened right here, still trading lower. So it does look like we generated some liquidity up here. We do have some TI highs here, but we do have all-time highs then, and then kind of like generating the liquidity above here, like the support and resistance traders, I would say. Then like we have the resistance here going lower now. This is all-time highs on yes, I think. Yeah, it is. So kind of creating like this resistance to those traders. Now we're going lower, and then probably just rebalance somewhere in this leg. I am still expecting for this Tuesday to be pretty bullish, even though if I'm looking at this like a manipulation week or manipulation day, maybe this is already manipulation below these lows in this gap here, which I marked out, which is a singular 8-hour one. So we are in this gap now, and we could just have the expansion higher right now, towards the buy side here, and then even higher, and then maybe Tuesday already takes a all-time highs. I don't think so. Maybe Wednesday wants to take that, but this already could be the manipulation. If we do want to manipulate lower, then we also have this really bullish leg here, so maybe even manipulate lower into this daily busy that we have here, so this really big one, so around the 22,040 area. But still I'm expecting for it to go higher here. So yeah, either Tuesday is going to trade lower or Wednesday is going to trade lower, and I'm just expecting a really bullish week. Yeah, that's honestly already kind of it for the indices. Like, it's not like, I would say this is when we are just trending, it's honestly pretty easy. I wouldn't say easy, but it's like easily, or it's more easy to find the buys than like supposed or compared to like when we are trading in this kind of range, which is like this is harder to do the analysis or bias, finding the bias. But yeah, that's it already for the indices. Looking at DXY, I want to do this really quick as well. I don't know what I had here. Oh yeah, I had this weekly busy here, which I said, which we were still respecting. So this is still going to be the draw, but if we inverse this, which is right here, then there was a pretty high chance that if we inverse this and this is going to be a draw, and I see now that this perfectly played out. Closing below here, dropping lower, and then wrecking off the wick somewhere in here. I wouldn't expect this, honestly. We did trade all the way higher into the singular daily inversion. Really, really nice. And then body's telling that story right here, and then wicks doing that damage. Just a beautiful push with lower, exactly as like ICT says. But yeah, this is already the daily review or weekly review, weekly analysis video. Yeah, I will be trading on this account again. So new account. So far I took 1W trade on this, so this looks perfect. Only took one trade, so yeah. But yeah, hopefully this will be a good training week. It looks like a really, really good training week. Hopefully I won't miss any setups. I already got lucky in with like previous week, I would say here. So hopefully I get some luck with this account as well. I'll still be trading following every rule, not following, or yeah, following every rule, not following any rules. Yeah, so that's already the video. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you.